Hey, my name is Cash Merrill. Welcome to Zibtek. I'm sitting here at our Draper, Utah office. If you look over there, you can almost see the sign. There's boondocks. So if you happen to be in the neighborhood, stop by. We'd love to see you. We also have an office in Bangalore, India. We've spent 10 to 15 years really developing this relationship with this awesome team overseas. And we also have been traveling back and forth. We've brought a lot of people out here. We've been there many, many times. I've been there maybe 12 times, something like that. And all of the people in our India office are full-time employees. So we have all of the tools that we need for performance plans and for raises and for all of those things to be able to get you the best possible talent. We're also super passionate about Python. We're doing a lot of fun projects in Python. There's a lot going on in that field with just regular development. Obviously a lot of the math stuff, a lot of the big data stuff. We do a lot of medical stuff also in Python. So we'd love to just learn a little bit more about what you're developing and see if we can chip in and help out in any way. And if any of the background experience and projects we've done would be helpful, then we could chip in and see if we can give you guys a hand. So just reach out to us, hit the contact page or give us a call, and we'd love to set up a time just to get to know you a little bit more. Thanks.